I wasn't
I'm
even.
ready.
Did you miss it?
Yes, I did. Maddie, what you got there?
Shoes.
Who gave you the shoes?
Mima.
And who else?
Baby.
Wrong foot. Wrong foot.
We
You
have
want to do, okay.
Dynasty
say-
hi, please.
Does she? Do
Dynasty
you like your new shoes?
Dynasty has some like those?
Can you say thank you, Mama BB?
Baby. Mima.
Thank you.
And I told ready.
Okay.
And I'm ready.
Oh, those look so good on you, Maddie.
Tie my shoes. These new shoes. Daddy, be my baby.
Well, I know they're going to love to hear that from you.
I didn't have these. Now compare me. Compare me.
You like your new shoes?
What is this?
Tissue.
Why?
I don't know. They put it in there for some reason. I don't know why.
What is this? What is this, Mommy?
It's tissue, baby.
Why?
I don't know.
Her new shoes.
I see those new shoes. Okay, stand up and let's see them. Boy, those look fine, Maddie.
I'm